What up, folks? This your girl's Hells to the rescue. I'm coming at you guys today with another synthetic hair wig review. This review is on no other than Miss Cloud9 Swiss Lace Wig Audrey, and this is from the Wet Lace collection. Now, the thing to kind of keep in line is that she looked good on the stock card. Okay. She looked good inside the stock card. Same picture. Now, this pretty much lays out some deeds for you guys as far as just the specs of this unit. It is said to have a 13x6 ear-to-ear with 6-inch deep hand-tied parting space. It is also a pre-plucked natural density. It is an undetectable flawless hairline. Perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline. It is said to be a pre-customized unit. And then it also is a protective style, no leave out necessary. Now, this here, as you can see, is letting you guys know about undetectable lace. Well crafted, customized to our liking. Okay, these here are the colors available, the color spectrum for her. Alright, so what made me get this unit is that I was kind of on this beach waves kick when I took my hiatus from YouTube for about a month and a half. And I saw it and I just had to have one. So, I saw some reviews on it and stuff like that. And I don't know. I just was like, I'm going to go ahead on and give it a try. So, this here is Miss Audrey. I have her in the color TT1B Dark Teal. Alright. Got in the teal color. Didn't want to really go black. Didn't want to really do... You know, I wanted something different. So let me go and give her a try. In the inside, this is the lace that they were talking about. As you can see, it does go back 6 inches. It also is 13x6 ear-to-ear lace. It also does have a very light looking customized hairline. You have your combs right here, right on side here. The parting space is there. Your comb you got a comb here, a comb there. Then you also have your standard comb at the back nape area, right by the actual adjustable straps. Alright, let me put on my head. Y'all saw what that inside looked like. So, when I rate her, I tend to like my wigs to be easy, because it's a wig. Okay, if I wanted a sewing or something like that, I would have paid for that. Alright, so let's see. Right off the back, I had trouble cutting the lace too. It does come with lace, you guys. I cut the lace before coming on the video. But I had some issues with the lace. This here, like I don't know, I had issues with it. It was very hard to try and do. Like this lace, like just this part of it just drove me nuts, and I kept cutting into the actual hairline, causing so much shedding. So I was just like, man, let me just quit before I don't have no hairline left. And I hate using the whole got to be glue spray and all that on my units, so it just seemed really hard to try and wear out like this, right? So I'm thinking like just putting like some gel or something, maybe. I don't know. But I don't like that sticky stuff on my units, man. But she's still pretty though. You know, nevertheless, she's still really, really pretty. Her curls is phenomenally done. This color is really, really cool. Right? So let's make sure that she's 6 inches far back. So this here look like this is about this is looking like maybe a 14 and like a 12, 14, 16 inch. That's what I'm thinking. They probably cut it. It's either that or maybe it's like one solid one solid inch, and they kind of just customize the cut. Let's go in with the comb. Ooh. So just to let you guys know, I have on a black wig cap underneath her to kind of combat the lightness, cause this part space is really, really light. Okay, it's really, really light. So that was my whole big issue with that. Like the parting space is light, so I had to like change my method of doing things with the whole tan color cap method. Yeah, I had to go. Your girl had to go get her a black cap. Like, I really don't like that part. And it just seemed like no matter what I do, I'm gonna have to cut into this lace. I need to get rid of that part. Right? So, let's go into wig T. Let me go on and take a walk around so you guys can see what she's looking like. Alright, did I go into my left side? Hold on. So we chopping it up, you heard me? Alright. You know what? I'ma just wear this like this because it look more better this way. Just put some gel right there. But alright. So as you guys can see, you know, your girl, okay. Ooh. Yeah, she looks great. Yeah, she is really good. Alright. You know, I'm probably gonna have to put some baby hairs up in there. But alright, cool. Let me go ahead and turn around. Okay, I like her. She makes me look a little spazzy, you know. Here's the back. Okay. Okay. To the side. So she looked like she's about 14. She's about 14 to 16 inches right here. Cause it's like, you know, it seems like it's coming down like on an angle. And I'm with it. I'm messing with it. I like it. Definitely give me a good little beach vibe. Alright, and so like I said again, I really do try hard not to use got to be glue. So alright, she looking good, y'all. Did I do my wig tee? Let me do my wig tee. Is this unit big head friendly? Yes, it is. I got a lot of stretch in this unit. So she's definitely a good big head friendly unit by all means. Oh yeah, she's cute, y'all. Yeah, buddy. She's a keeper. Color specs of this unit is definitely a good teal. It's more of a dark teal though. It's not really as teal as I thought it would be, but it's definitely a good dark teal. Does this unit have adjustable straps and combs? Yes, you got 3 combs. You got your 2 that I showed earlier here. Then you got one in the back at the nape area, right above your actual adjustable straps. What is the texture of this unit? Now I'm gonna go on a limb and say this is kind of nice, light, yeah, very light. I am getting some shedding also, by the way, and it could be because I cut too much into the lace. I'm trying to fool around with this damn part. Oh, excuse me. Trying to fool around with this doggone part. Is this unit a good everyday wig? Yes, if you could get away with wearing color to work like this, because it's really mild. It's mild. It's not that light teal. It's a mild color. So if your job allow it, go ahead on tiptoe on and see what they say. And if the administration or non-profit or whatever say it's not acceptable, take it off, put it up in the car. Is this wig thick, full, thin, etc.? This wig is nice and full. Okay, you get enough hair on this bad boy for whatever you need. It's good. This here is good. It's definitely good. Definitely good. You know, and like I said, you will have to play around with this parting space. But, you know, it's a really good parting space. What's my rate on this wig? I rate this wig a 9. I'm rating her a 9 because, again, I do have to keep fidgeting with the part. I have to play around with it. You know what? I'm feeling generous. I'm going to give it a 10. Alright, so that's another wig on my book. Got a 10 by me. Because other than that, really, to like making this wig your own, it's really easy. All you're doing is taking that bad boy out. I didn't have to pluck. I didn't have to do nothing, to be honest with y'all. All I did was cut the lace off camera, and that was it. And I put it on my head for you guys to see. So that pretty much wraps up my review. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to let me know. Please hit that bell, subscribe to my channel. That way that bell lets you know whenever Hell to the Rescue drop another video. Alright? But other than that, you guys please take care of yourselves. Enjoy some more content on my channel. And just have a great day. Definitely, if you're thinking about purchase, I will leave links below, okay? But, ladies, this is definitely a good beach wig. I am getting beach vibes on 1000, okay? I kind of wish I would have got her in a black because I would have been able to probably wear her to work in any other way else and would have been like that chick. But I got in a teal. It's alright. I'm feeling it. I'm geeky with it. It's good. Alright, so y'all have a good one. Please take care of yourselves. And please look at some more other vids. Bye.